I received your question. Looks like you figured out the mean here was 2.43. Mu is 2.43. So you were able to calculate the mean, but you were having trouble with the variance. And here's the formula of variance. It's the sum of the individual score minus the mean, quantity of that squared times the probability. So over here, I mean, this is the individual scores, this is x, and this here, is p of x. So then the variance here, sigma squared, so it's going to be x minus mu. So the first one would be 0 minus the mean, 2.43, the quantity of that squared, times the probability is 0.04. And plus you do it again. X is 1 this time, so it'll be 1 minus the mean, 2.43, the quantity of that squared, times the probability, which is 2.23. And you just continue this for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Of course, you got to add each of these, and then that result will be the sigma squared, or the variance. Hope this helps.